Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's topic for discussion is Amazon grocery category. I will discuss the following things. Number 1, requirements for launching. Number 2, questions that Amazon will ask for. Number 3, category approval process. Number 4, additional required document. Number 5, seller checklist. Number 1, requirements. Invoice that shows you are selling this product offline as well in your store. Invoice should be legible, not too blur, too light or dark. It should be dated within the last 180 days. Acceptable includes sales invoice ish. Commercial invoice and not acceptable includes retail receipts, packing slips, sales orders, invoices from an online retailer, invoices from liquidators, invoices from marketplaces, and pro forma invoices. A pro forma invoice can be issued to let the buyer know what exactly to expect from the seller. Let's move on. Identify the number of items required according to your use case. It means that how much products you want to see on one invoice. You can share 10 categories on one invoice. You can share 10 brand on one invoice. You can share 10 ASIN on one invoice. No 2 questions that Amazon will ask. Are you the manufacturer, distributor, importer, retailer of the item you have applied for? Do you wish to sell your products through merchant fulfillment or fulfillment by Amazon? The entire list of products that you intend to sell under provided FSSC license. The entire list of products that you intend to sell under provided FSSC license, Food Safety System Certificate. Number 3, category approval process. Product checklist includes the following. Product must have a minimum shelf life of 3 months for merchant fulfillment and 5 months for FBA. Product must not require chilled storage or freezing. Date of manufacture, date of expiry, and pack date along with shelf life, or best before dates. An MRP must be printed on the product. GFSI or FSSC logo must be printed on the product along with a license number. Vegetarian, non-vegetarian dot must be present on the products. Number 4, seller checklist. Seller must have an FSSC license with minimum validity of 6 months left. Note that the reseller supermarkets also need FSSC license for their shop, and not just product. They need page 1 and 2 of FSSC document. Seller must share annexure for the FSSC license, stating the product categories approved for. Products need to have high-resolution image of all sides. For boxes, 6 sides. For packet, 2 sides. For bottles, 3 sides, covering all the text. Valid FSSC license to sell ingestible products in this category. Furthermore, the license should be within validity period, which has to be a minimum of 6 months until renewal. Scope of the seller should be clearly mentioned: retailer, distributor, importer, or manufacturer. Product should not be having an expiry date off less than 6 months. Liquid products are not currently enabled for this category. If you are an importer, submit a valid proof of being an importer for the products you're offering. 1, an email from the brand stating that the seller is an importer in USA. 2, a letter on the letterhead of the brand stating that the seller is an importer. F. You are a retailer who purchased from an importer. You will submit a valid proof from an importer for the products that is offered. 1, an email from the brand stating that the seller is a retailer. 2, a letter on the letterhead of the brand stating that the seller is a reseller. If you are a manufacturer, you must have the following. In addition to the GFSI license. A latest lab report for all the SKU that you intend to offer. Number 5, additional document required, as per category. For dry fruits and nuts, 1, upload lab test as approved laboratory. 2, lab test reports of the products tested as per the physical, chemical, and microbiological parameters stipulated in FSSC regulation. 3, lab test to be carried out in recognized organizations like the International Organization for Standardization, ISO, or the American Association for Laboratory Accreditation, A2LA. For all organic food products, for agricultural products, processed foods, you'll need a USDA organic certificate issued by a USDA-approved certifying agent. This means the product meets the strict standards set by the U.S. Department of Agriculture for organic production and handling. For certain products, Amazon may accept organic certifications from other countries that are considered equivalent to the USDA organic standards. These include the European Union Organic Regulation, EU 834 SATS 2007, and the Japan Agricultural Standard, GOAS, for organic products. The scope of the certificate should include the names of the products that the seller manufacturer declares as organic. For chocolates, share melting temperature detail should be greater than 40 degrees Celsius. If you find it informative, then share it with others. Thank you for your time.